He's opening. What did he say? A rug.
A rug, oh boy.
You can't get it out.
Smart boy.
There we go.
Wow.
Here,
Look at
Grandpa.
that. What is
Now
that?
you don't have to sit on mine.
Funny.
Same color as the couch. Huh.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
There's one from Elmo. There's your present from Elmo you're opening.
Get a present from Elmo?
Yeah, Elmo sent you a gift.
Elmo sent you a gift?
It's his art video.
Elmo? Here, you want to try to see
All right, Elmo sent you a video. And it goes to the floor.
I will get the book.
You will get what?
He likes to open the present.
You do.
Oh.
That one's for Gran.
It's the right size to go down.
Open the present, Brandon.
Can you open it? All right. Who's that from? Who's this from?
Your mother told you I needed this.
What?
Let's see. Oh boy, Gran got some pajamas. Look, with
Yeah.
duckies on them.
Look, I'm out of here.
Look here. Yeah.
I like how he gives the back of his hand like, yeah, get it out of here.
I know.
Son, you're
Okay.
gonna appreciate
Open.
you using that, I'm sure.
That's pretty cool.
Boy, he loves opening the gifts.
Who's that one for?
Me. You're so good at that.
Look, Brandon, I got some new house shoes.
Yay.
Yeah, got tape.
Wow, that's like Indian.
Let's see what's in here.
Nope, you can come off to the next one. Who's that one for?
That's grand.
You quickly become a pro at package delivery.
Are you going to work for UPS?
All
Say
right. Oh,
Thermal underwear, yay!
underwear.
This is grand. That takes care of
Look at him with the packs on his head.
Underwear, grand.
I didn't touch it.
Here he comes with the box on his head, Mom.
Here you go.
Can you open it?
For you.
Open it.
She knows. She's letting him open them.
I
Here,
love
move over, Mom.
open.
Hey, you got toy ready now.
I'm going to wear Brandon.
Hey. Let's see, London. What's in here? Oh, feel that. Oh, how fuzzy and ooh, I love it.
Nice.
Yeah, Gran got a new robe.
What you got, Bo? Oh, you got
One
London's
of you lucky
piano?
souls gets to keep this at your house.
Oh, yeah. It's London's piano.
London.
Hey, London.
Your piano?
Oh.
Hang on. Around there.
Pretty cool.
Mailbox, London.
Good job, London.
Oh boy, a new set of sweatshirts.
Who's the big one for?